Hello, good evening. Today, October 5, 2023 is a Teacher's Day or World Teacher's Day. So, I would like to greet to all the teachers who continuously teach and give values to their students and their pupils to guide them as a good citizen in this country despite of many challenges that comes here in the Philippines, especially those in pandemic times and the change of the norms and standards that we have before. So thank you for always loving your students. Thank you for always being there every morning, busy making lesson plans and teaching them to be wise at all times. They say that we should be proud that you are a teacher because the lives of the people depends on you. Yes, it's true. Because of what you have teach to all will always be instilled in their hearts as long as those persons or those students have cherished what they have learned on their lives as the young ones. So, sana po mabuhay po ang mga guro na patuloy na nagtuturo lalo na sa mga special educations, yung may mga batang may mga kapansanan. So, mahirap kayo yan turuan pero nagpatuloy kayo na magturo sa kanila ng kabutihan. We don't know if they will last long or hanggang saan lang ang buhay nila as long as they have been teach with good values and characters and also about the knowledge and skills that the normal people may have. At saka may mga nakikita din tayo sa YouTube at saka sa Facebook na may mga teachers din na they have been doing some strategic things that makes the teaching more fun. May mga kumakanta, may patula, may sayaw. Everything that they have done for so that all the students or their pupils will learn much as well. So, sana magpatuloy kayo sa inyong mga ginagawa at sana you're always been proud. Kung mawala man tayo dito sa mundo, ng ibabaw, ay patuloy pa rin na andun sa mga tao na tinuturuan natin ang kagandahang asal na naituro natin. We don't know what will happen next to the new curriculum that has been formulated. But as long as we have teach what was the true value of being a citizen, the true ways of how to communicate in English and Filipino, how to do arithmetics, how to solve the problems, and to know what is the need to be done. However, we will be achieving good things in life. So sana po maturo po ninyo even though it is the new curriculum that we have here. We love you always, all the teachers, especially in the Philippines. Those teachers na yung iba tumatawid ng mga ilog para lang makapunta to their respective classrooms that they have tried so far, they walk so far para lang po maturuan ang mga kabataan. And those who have been doing some remedial and tutorial services. So, mabuhay po kayo, mga teachers sa buong mundo. We love you always. Ingat po kayo palagi and stay safe. God bless po.